Hello friends. Welcome back to Birds Part 2. 5 more bird names in Spanish to level up from Part 1. Repeat after me, pick your favorite, and comment. Part 2 done. Ready? Let's go. First.
Pavo real.
Pavo real.
Second.
Cisne.
Cisne.
Third.
Cuervo.
Cuervo.
Fourth.
Flamenco.
Flamenco.
Fifth.
Colibrí.
Colibrí.
Repeat one more time with me.
Pavo real. Cisne. Cuervo. Flamenco. Colibrí.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Practice daily. Don't forget to watch our other series like Birds Part 1, Clothes Quiz, Seasons and more. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your favorite bird from Part 2 below. See you tomorrow.